What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Leena, and this video is how to make the best and healthiest apple cinnamon cake ever. So if you're interested in healthy recipes, just tell me down below in the comments so I can upload more. And yeah, don't forget to give me big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get started. So first of all, I need one red apple. You should peel it off, then chop it into very thin pieces so it can be soft after being baked. Now add cinnamon powder as much as you wish. And mix. You can add any sweetener if you want apples to be carameled, but I prefer them like this. And leave it aside. Now it's time for dry ingredients. I added 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and it's optional, then mix. Now crack 2 eggs in a separate bowl. Then whisk them perfectly. Add vanilla extract and whisk again. Now I'll add about half cup of date honey and I'll mix. Half cup of milk, mix. Half cup of plain yogurt and mix. Now add 1/4 cup of coconut oil and mix. Now add the dry ingredients. And I use this electric whisk to combine the ingredients. As you see, I already mixed it, but I wanted to show you how does it look like. Spread some coconut oil in your baking tray. And now it's time to pour your batter. Place the chopped apples on top of your cake batter. Now you should tap them gently so they are stuck to the batter, and to make sure that they'll not be apart from the cake when it's baked. You can add any nuts you prefer. I added some almonds. The cake should be baked in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. And of course the heat differs from one oven to another. This is how the cake looks like after getting it out of the oven. Of course it's not the same as the all-purpose flour one, but it's really delicious and tasty and healthy, and you should give this a try. This was today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. I upload consistently and I would like to know your opinions, so don't forget to leave your opinions down below in the comments. And if you want the written recipe, you'll just find it in the description box. Don't forget to check it. And yeah, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.